nuts. Want to be speeding on this back roads of Atlanta. Man, I don't know what the city got as many potholes as Atlanta, man. Go to like Midtown Atlanta, it's even worse. I'm talking about like downtown. It sucks. I don't know how people be speeding over there. And the Backstreets of Atlanta. People always say like, cause I have people, this is like personal people I know, they're like, oh, but you're not actually in Atlanta, but people don't know how big like Metro Atlanta is. You're not in downtown, you know what I mean? Atlanta's big. Atlanta covers a lot of like area. Metro Atlanta, downtown Atlanta is like, downtown Atlanta is like right in the middle of the city, you know? Metro Atlanta is like the area around it. We're in Metro Atlanta. I could probably get to Atlanta like 30, 20 minutes. It's not that far. So yes, we are in Metro Atlanta, man. That's a nice house. I know Atlanta right now is a good place to buy a lot of real estate. I see a lot of people buying real estate in Atlanta. Damn, that's like Atlanta. I'm gonna just start saying ATL. A lot of real estate in ATL. Really, ATL is like one of those places that's like you can make money in. It says like LA, Miami, just because there's a lot of connections. My girlfriend, she met the guy who voices GTA. Michael, GTA 5. My girl met him. I was like, she took a picture and I was like, bro, that's crazy. Like, I would have never thought that, like, you know, Michael from GTA, I would have never thought he lives in Atlanta. Like, it's crazy. And it's not even like it's not even close to Atlanta. We're talking about some place farther out. So I'm like, damn, like, you really do got people in Georgia. Georgia's a good place to make a lot of connections. Don't tell me this dude gonna really throw himself, bro. How you gonna honk on me? I'm not gonna run him over. I'm telling you, bro, people got no morals. Man, when you try to be a good person, like, it's people like that just piss you off. I try not to resort to like a lot of anger. Like, I like try to stay calm myself. Like, me as a person, I don't like to get angry. I don't like to get angry too fast. For what? What's the, like, what you gonna do? Like, hit them, like, call me a pussy, I don't care, man. Damn, bro, it's like everybody's trying to get on my nerves today. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm getting phone calls. Gotta stay composed, composure. I don't know if that wind's making like loud sound. It's making a loud sound in my ear. I don't know if it's picking up the mic. I don't know what that is. Challenger Charger. For the love, like anything, bro. I cannot remember the difference between a Challenger and a Charger. I think Charger's like the fatter one and the Challenger's like the skinnier one, I think. Deshaun Road. I used to know someone in Deshaun in high school. That's funny. Or like Stone Mountain. There's a car test. Trying to treat my, you know, my carrito a little bit more softer, man. But I've been beating on my car since I got intakes. just so I can hear them. That's not even like no horsepower gains or nothing. I'm not getting no benefit, but I actually using it. So I'm trying to take it easy. I'm trying to slow it down. I want to get tuned first before I start like. I want to like get it tuned before I actually like start dogging it. I had to like stop because I was talking and I heard like my voice whistle, and I think it's because like you got like a gap between your teeth. I don't know. There's no way I got that. Oh, should I cross this car? Should I pass it, chat? Should I pass it? Bro, I really should be live streaming. I really could be opening like more doors and opportunities by live streaming. It'd be good. Damn, bro, I feel my transmission jerk. No, it didn't feel too good. Bro, I dead want to pass this car right now. What are we going, 40? I guess we're going speed limit, but dang, man, that's a big house. Bro, like, Georgia, you have like the most randomest houses. Look, there's a house right there, you didn't even know it. Hold on, we're gonna stop these people. Look all that, I don't know. But I'm telling you, like, Georgia, it has like the most randomest, like, secret houses, and you pull in and it's like a huge mansion. Like, no joke. Damn, bro, we're still 11 minutes out. I should have gone the other way. I ain't go to the highway because right now, if you live in Georgia weather's crazy right now. It's been like raining like a lot. It's been raining mad. Damn, where's it at? I think it's a car me on Friday or tomorrow. I'm trying to see if I go. I'm not sure. I think I got other plans though. If I got time, I'll probably end up going out. Hopefully, maybe get a video out, record. I'm trying to be back on my grind, posting daily. Honestly, bro, I be getting like, you know when you get tired, I just be overwhelmed. Work, I just be tired, man. So like when it's just like work after work, it just kind of like demotivates you, you know? You just kind of just like want to rest, lay down, relax. Ooh, dang, y'all see that? What does that say? Rock Chapel Church? I don't know what it says. I can't read what it says. Maybe my camera could read. Sorry. Yeah, man, I'm trying to get on my grind though again. Bro, me recording is like somebody who goes to the gym here and there. You know when you go to the gym for like a month and then you stop for like a year and then you go back for 2 months and then you stop for like 4 months and you go back? It's like that. I need to stop that, bro. I need to be more consistent. I always be telling people like, and people be telling me too, like, consistency, like, it sounds corny, but consistency, bro, I can't even talk. Look at me trying to get wisdom. I'm trying to be, what's the word? I'm trying to be wise, can't even talk. Damn, bro, the light just turned green. How is it gonna turn yellow? Ah, you're lying. There's no way. How many cars even got out? 1, 2, 3, 4? Bro, 4 cars? What type of light is this? Bro, there's not even cars on this road. Who are they, like, trying to maintain traffic for, bro? There's not even a lot of cars. Bro, there's only 1 car there, a couple cars there. We got a lot, bro. Put me as a traffic light, like, person, and I'll make it, like, green. Is that a Sierra turned into a, like a tow car? What the heck? What the heck? Like I was saying, man, all right, let me log back in. I'm wise again. I'm wise. Like I was saying, consistency and damn, what's the other one? I forget it, bro. Don't take my advice. But consistency does go a long way, man. Like, for example, my YouTube channel, the days I have been consistent, you see growth. It's not a lot. You don't see it like you're not gonna blow up, or you're not gonna like see results overnight. When you go to the gym, you're not gonna see results overnight, in general. But you slowly start to see it. Bro, I feel like that's common sense, bro. Everybody should know that. Like, I'm over here talking like stuff people already know. Look at this. Let me shut up. I think I gotta change this out. I don't think it smells no more. Oh, bro, these little chews smell so good. They need to make an air freshener for the rooms for like that smell like this. Oh my gosh. But I'm not doing black ice no more. Oh, what is this? Yeah, black ice. I got the fresh car scent. That one smells gas. Fresh car scent. Chef's kiss. Damn, 8 minutes away. You mean to tell me from 2 cars back I was 11 minutes away, 2 cars forward I'm 8 minutes away, bro? That's how much time. Like, no, dang, bro, this GPS time is off. It's so off. Is it yellow again? Bro, it's yellow again, bro. 1, 2, 3 cars passed. Oh my gosh. 4, 5. Damn, these people don't care. This red is still turning. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. I want to do a pool, but I don't know if there's a car around the corner. This car is advertised 400 horsepower, but realistically it's probably like 370, 380. It's no means a fast car, but it's quick. It feels fun. It feels quick. I feel like when your car is full bolt-on though, you could gap a lot of stuff. And then when you go upgrade the turbos, I saw Z1. They released the new turbos. I think it's the VRX 80B. The one everybody's running right now is I think the VRX 70B. But the one they just came out with the 80B, and that one sounds crazy. I'm telling you, that one sounds like it whistles. It now sound like a generic, like. I'm not good at mimicking sounds. It don't sound, but it don't sound like the. It sounds like the. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You know those, what's it called? RB. You know, like Skylines with the JZ or the RB engines, and they got that. I'm sound stupid, you know, like the you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, but obviously not like that, but yeah, it sounds similar, and I thought it sounds pretty fire, man. I've only seen 1 car with those turbos so far, and they went to, I saw it, I think Racebox posted it was a Q50 with the new turbo they made, the VRX 80B. Only 1 car I've seen so far. Is that a manual? Y'all seen that car roll back? They made a launch as a manual? Since when? The car was rolling back. I don't think so. I think the person's... I don't know. Had a brain fart. I haven't had Waffle House in a minute. If you live in Atlanta... Bro, I'm pissed off, man. Well, my camera just died. I had to... Well, no, it didn't die. It started overheating, so I had to let it cool down. But basically I came to this post office, tried to pick up my package, and they basically said they dropped it off. I'm like, bro, y'all called me twice this morning to tell me my package is ready to be picked up. Y'all called me not once but twice. Bro, I could have been home by now. That's usually the time I get home. I'm like 20 minutes out too, man. That's crazy, man. And the lady here too, she kept like smirking and me-mugging me. I'm like, bro, like, what is your problem? Honestly, I don't think we're gonna get into this middle lane. I really don't. It's alright, man. What can I do? They say they dropped it off at the house, they dropped it off at the house. Now, you see, if I go home and it's not there, they drop it off, that's where I'm really going like, alright, I'm not gonna really do anything, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna just be like, hey, excuse me, my package, you guys didn't drop it off. They're gonna be throwing me in a circle. Throw that? No. You know when they're like, you call them and they're like, oh, we're gonna send you to customer service. Oh, let me send you to this person. Then that one person doesn't pick up, and you call again. They're like, oh, let's try again. Let's send you to this person. And you start making you call a whole bunch of other people. That's what they're gonna do to me, bro. Let's get in this middle lane. Holy, I'm in the jaws of. I'm in the mouth of whatever scrape, a shark. Damn, bro, both front and back. Bro, I'm pinned. They're gonna eat me from the back and front. Pause. Damn, bro, come on. Come on, man. Traffic, slow down for me, please. Slow down for me. People have no nice heart no more. Nobody got a good heart. Nobody wanna let me in. The Corolla. You're my. I'm gonna take your spot. Thank you. Bro, it's just been a long day, man. It's finally Friday though. It's Friday, man. It's Friday. Got paid too yesterday. It's gonna be a good weekend. What is that, an M37? I used to have an M45. I don't know. I know those. I don't know if it's a V8 or a V6. I had a V8, the M45, but the M35, those came with a V6. My pictures of M35, you can make faster because they can actually be boosted. It's a VQ compared to the one I had a VK 45 R, I think it was. VK, I think that's what the engine was. But anyways, y'all, probably cut the video here. If y'all did enjoy the video, man, like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Hope you guys enjoy these POV drives. Just me talking. Yeah, man, I'll see you on the next video.